And here we have a 599 GTB. Look at that. F1. Next to the drop head. Beautiful Jag. Indeed it is. It's a 150 3.8. Very rare. Look at that leather interior. Absolutely stunning. The cars in those days. Very, very pretty. Very nice. And a Aston Martin Vantage. Stunning green. The big, big, big beast of the V12. A 1998 model. And when you move along, Heritage Classics, you have a 1965 Jaguar E-Type Eagle. Beautiful royal blue. Very impressive. You have another Jag. Convertible. Lovely interior. Also, simplicity is so pretty. And of course, always leather. This particularly is a 4.2 model. And the one car that really is actually, I think, right now appreciating are these Porsches. It's a 914, if I'm not mistaken, I could be wrong. Let's have a look. Classic colour though, that orange. And it's a Targa, remember? Indeed, a 914. But it's a 9146. So we really do have a 6-cylinder engine. Very, very nice. Wow. Let's have a look around this side. 1972 model. And incredibly, it's number 11 of 11 cars officially imported into the United Kingdom. Very low mileage. We're talking sub 20,000 miles. And look at that lovely, lovely dashboard. The classic Porsche rev counter in the middle. Very cozy and very romantic, I must say. Nice. Again, 4.2 E-Type convertible. Lovely engine. This one in particular is a 1966 And right next to the Aston Martin and between the Ferrari, you have a particularly nice Aston Martin. A Grand Tourer, I tell you. And it is a David Brown. A 1958 Aston Martin DB Mark III. I tell you, privilege to have one of these cars. All of them sensationally beautiful. A lovely long bonnet. Beautiful, look at that interior, how pretty is that? You can't get better. The instrument panel and the steering wheel are literally a work of art. An enormous amount of cargo space. There you go. Fantastic. Well, that's it. What a wonderful place for any person looking to invest in these classics is. At this showroom, at this specialist heritage classic.